Today's going to be our last lesson on fractions, and the goal is I can make a drawing or a diagram, so that just means like a picture. So I can make a picture to show a problem about equal shares. Once upon a time, there was a teacher who had curtains in her room. They were divided into 4 equal parts. She had 2 shares that were red and 2 shares that were blue. So 4 curtains, 2 of them are red, 2 of them are blue. I'm going to draw a picture to help me describe her curtains. And like the problem said, notice that 2 of them are red, 2 of them are blue, and there's 4 parts total to the curtain. We can use words to describe the curtains. The drawing shows 4 equal shares. 2 of the 4 shares are red. So they're 4 equal shares because these are all 4 the same size and same shape. And 2 out of those 4 are red. Listen closely. I'm going to teach you something that big kids know how to do. Wow. We can share 2 out of 4, we can write 2 out of 4 shares like this. So at the bottom, we have 4. So this is the number of equal shares in all. And then 2, that's how many were colored in. So 2 are colored in red. This little line means like out of. So 2 out of the 4, because there's 4 total, are red. How many shares are purple? So go ahead and get your Show Me app out. Blank out of blank equal shares are purple. Well, you can see that 2 of them are purple. 2 out of, well, how many are there total? How many equal shares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 out of 4 are purple. How many equal shares are red? Let's see if we can figure that out. So 1 is red out of, and there's 2 total, so 1 out of 2. How many shares are blue? So you can write that down. So 1 share is blue out of 2 total. So 1 out of 2. How many shares are purple? 1, 2, 3 are purple. Out of 4 total. So 3 out of 4 are purple. How are we feeling about this? Draw the shape. Color in the correct amount to match each fraction. So we're going to go ahead and draw what they have in the picture there. It's a rectangle with a line down the middle. So remember, the bottom means that there's 2 shares total. On top, the 1 shows us how many are going to be colored in. So just color in one of them. There we go, that matches 1 out of 2 are colored in. Draw the shape. Draw the correct amount to match the fraction. Once again, draw what they have up there. It's a rectangle. And it has 4 parts. So again, the bottom means that there's 4 parts. So we're just going to shade in 2. 1, 2. 2 out of 4. And then draw this shape. We have a circle. It's divided into 4 parts. I'm going to give you a minute to see if you can get that figured out. How many of those you're supposed to shade in. Okay, so I went ahead and drew it on my Show Me app. We have 3 of the 4 are supposed to be shaded, so that's what I did. Then lastly, our math challenge. What word can describe 2 equal shares? Halves, quarters, fractions, or unequal? So if it's cut in half, we have halves. Halves means 2, which would make it A. Remember, quarters means that there's 4, kind of like 4 quarters make a whole dollar. Quarters means 4. Fractions just means that you're taking something and dividing it up into equal pieces. And unequal, well, if equal means same, unequal means not the same. And that doesn't describe the 2 equal shares. So halves would be the correct answer.